come on, man. And with the local DBC news, LL Cool J with a triumphant comeback.
But tonight,
Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. I'm rocking my pants, putting suckers in fear, making the tears rain down like a monsoon. Listen to the bass go boom, explosion, overpowering over the competition. I'm towering, wrecking shop. When I drop these lyrics that'll make you call the cops. Don't you dare stare. You better move. Don't ever compare me to the rest that'll all get sliced in
Let them get right, then take a bite. And if they don't taste right, then don't blame me.
You need to quit swinging the style that I'm bringing. The funk knuckle dragon, the kids on the wagon. I'm not the 12-stepper, don't play me like a leper. My mic sounds nice, but it's not salt or pepper.
Well, it's the man with the plan to get all your skins. The tip on my dick's where the line begins. So host form a line, take off that swine, strip your ass butt naked. Let's see if you can take it, cause I'll make you feel like a natural woman.